Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your paper supply store. If you run a paper supply store, then manually responding to all the queries related to stock and orders can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for paper supply store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I have sent a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Paper Pro Supplies. We offer top quality paper products for office, printing and creative needs. How can we assist you today?" And it has provided us 3 options, out of which I'm going to select the first one that says check availability. And it is asking, let us know which product are you looking for. So here I'm going to respond with thermal paper rolls. Let us know the quantity you want. So here I'm going to respond with 5. And our chatbot responds us with, we are looking for thermal paper rolls in quantity 5. We will let you know if it's available shortly. Till then, you can also check our website given over here. So next, I'm going to select pricing info. And our chatbot responds us with all the available latest pricing. Lastly, I'm going to select place an order. And it says to place order, visit our website given over here. Happy shopping. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for paper supply store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now to create a chatbot, access the flows option from here, and then to create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp chatbot for your paper supply store. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. From here, you can choose any approved template to send to the user. If you want to know how to create template message, you can check the link in the description box. Now, we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button. And here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here I have added asterisk signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here, with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. Now, to check availability, I'm going to access the action type nodes from here, and then I'm going to access the ask question box. Here I've asked about product details, like let us know which product are you looking for. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select text. And here you can provide multiple number of attempts. Here I'm going to provide 3, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question. Here I'm asking about the quantity. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select number. I'm going to select minimum number as 1 and maximum number as 10. You can provide number of attempts and a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty and link it to the question box. And lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $name and $add because these two were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Here we have added, we will let you know if it's available shortly. Till then, you can also check our website given over here. Now I'm going to curate a response for price info, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the pricing info like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for place an order, and for this again I'm going to access the text button. Here I've added our website link. It will appear like this to the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for paper supply store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.